Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from. My name is Ben and I am the creator behind BB Digital Arts. I have been in the army for the last 21 years, nearly 22 years, as you can see through these stills and videos that are in the intro. And I am obsessed with cars, all things petrol head, electric cars, bikes, you name it. And on this channel I'm going to be taking you through tutorials, documentaries and all things filmmaking and car related, events, stills, POV situations of me taking pictures for other people and much more. So I am coming up to the end of my 24-year army career. I have just over 2 years to go. I've been a filmmaker and photographer within the army for the last 8 years, and before that I was doing lots of landscape and automotive photography. I've also been flying drones for 10 years, and for the last 2.5 years I've been flying FPV drones. I'm going to be breaking down tutorials from stills, videography, filmmaking, documentary. Expect stunning visuals, inspiring stories, hints, tips and everything in between. This is the start of great things to come. Whether you're a car nut or a bike lover or a filmmaker, this is the place to be. If you'd like to collab, do some brand content work for your business, make some documentaries for your business, let's hit it up in the DMs. Whether you're a detailing company that needs some content, whether you're a hire car company that needs some content, you name it, hit me up, let's collab. And I look forward to hearing from you. But for now, hit that subscribe button, share this video, like it, put it in your playlist, put it in your watch later, save it, and I shall see you in the next one.